We dealt with the heat for the past few weeks. We know it's definitely been feeling hot out there. Let's look at the past 2-week temperature graph here. Let me show you what we've been dealing with this past week. It's been near average, maybe 1 to 2 degrees, right around the average of 90 degrees for that high since about last Wednesday or so. Before that, we saw the heat in the upper 90s, and that's going to be the case for this upcoming weekend. We're going to be talking about highs getting close to 100 degrees, but right now it's cooling off. 79 in Savannah, 81 at Tybee, 78 at Rincon, 77 in Statesboro. Going to cool off to the low to mid 70s out there tonight. Tomorrow is going to be gorgeous. It's going to be sunny, and it's going to be beautiful out there, but quickly warming up to the upper 80s by right around 11 a.m. And then by the afternoon hours, low 90s could be the case. 10% chance of any sort of showers that could be out and about near the coast. Besides that, going to be one of the cooler days compared to what we're going to be seeing this weekend. So for tomorrow, 103 is the real feel, 95 for that air temperature, and then Saturday into Sunday, upper 90s getting close to 110 degrees before we see a little bit of a cool off into next week, but that stormy pattern looks like it's going to be returning. So a lot of this tropical moisture we could be seeing next week, as well as just overall conditions that could fuel these thunderstorms, especially those afternoon boomers that you see out in the sky when the clouds get dark right around 2 p.m. or so. Those 15 to 20 minute showers could be the case tomorrow, but any sort of light showers, again, not going to be around for a while near the coast, if anything. Majority of us, about 99% of us, will be dry all throughout the day tomorrow into Saturday. Sunday, we have a chance for some scattered shower activity, but besides that, we should be good. It is going to be hot out there, though. Claxton, 95 for that high temperature, 96 in Savannah, 94 at Statesboro, 96 in Sylvania, 0 to 10% chance of any sort of showers. Besides that, sunshine, high UV index, though, so wear that sunscreen for me. It's definitely going to feel hot out there, but it's going to be nice, at least for the next 5 days or so, the best day to get outdoors. Besides that, Saturday, it's going to be in the upper 90s with a stormy pattern that gets back to us by Sunday or so. For the weekend forecast, upper 90s on Saturday, a little bit of a relief on the coast, mid 90s potentially for Sunday, more cloud cover as well, fuels those cooler temperatures for Sunday. Tropic update, Tropical Storm Franklin is expected to move up north in the Atlantic, out to sea though, not affecting us though. Something to keep an eye on though is this low pressure system right here. You could see the chance for the potential development within the next 7 days considered high by the National Hurricane Center. It's something to keep an eye on with those above average sea surface temperatures, the chance that storms could be developing. When you get a broad low pressure that begins to form and start moving north toward us, it is something that we definitely need to keep monitoring across the next 5 days or so. So that's something we just need to keep talking about at least up until Monday or so. So it's going to cool down past Sunday. Again, that stormy pattern with the potential for the tropics that could be waking up past Monday is something we need to be observing. Big story, though, at least for the next 48 hours, is the heat and the sunshine out there. There are my social media handles, and there is my email. Love the sunrise and sunset photos. Make sure to send those in, fox20savannah.com. Have a great evening.